Are you looking for the 5 best 3D pen of 2022? In this video we will look at some of the top best 3D pen on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which is in your budget range. Starting at number 5. MYNT3D Pro 3D Printing Pen. The best 3D pen overall. Overall, the MYNT3D Pro is the best 3D pen on sale today. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's a good choice for beginners. But there are also plenty of features to elevate this pen above the norm for more experienced hands. An adjustable feed lets you regulate the speed and flow of the material to help you stay in complete control and tackle differing levels of detail effectively. Temperature can be adjusted in 1-degree increments. Monitored via a clear OLED display. Unlike many other 3D pens, it supports a variety of filament types, not just ABS and PLA, but according to the makers, any thermoplastic. At number 4. 3D Start Plus Essentials 2021. The best 3D pen for kids. The 3D Start is a wireless pen that's designed for kids from 6 and up. That means the controls are kept to the minimum, and everything's been subjected to the strictest safety testing. As with other 3D pens, you're restricted to the manufacturer's own range of filaments, but the basic pack comes with 48 strands to get you going, in 8 different colors. Each strand offers 60 inches worth, so you'll be able to make a lot of models before you need to buy more. At number 3. 3D Create Plus. The 3D Create Plus has a beautifully ergonomic design, and it's easy to use, making it a great choice for beginners. This pen supports FLEXY plastics as well as PLA and ABS, although note they need to be 3D ones. There are 70 colors to pick from and you get 75 filaments included with this package, as well as a comprehensive guidebook. Dual speed and temperature controls mean it's not just for newbies, either. More experienced hands will enjoy using this for detail work too. Overall, this is a 3D pen that does what it promises, reliably and efficiently. At number 2. MYNT3D Super 3D Pen. Short on cash? The MYNT3D Super 3D Pen is similar to the Pro model number 1 on our list, with the same gearbox and replaceable nozzle design. And yet, it's available for a more affordable price. So where's the catch? What you lose here is the OLED display, and discrete temperature adjustment. A temperature adjustment screw lets you switch between the correct temperatures for ABS and PLA, but you're limited to those two materials. On the plus side, the kit comes with a lightweight, ergonomic stylus, 3 colors of ABS plastic and a 100-240 VAC 50/60 Hz adapter. At number 1. MYNT3D Basic Pen. If you're looking for a 3D pen that's cheap to buy and cheap to run, then the MYNT3D Basic Pen is our top recommendation. Compatible with the same widely available and low-cost ABS and PLA plastics that 3D printers use, this pen allows you to push out filament at slow, medium or fast speeds. It features a sealed nozzle and overbuilt gearbox for cloud-free operation. And that's basically it. As the name suggests, this is a basic 3D pen indeed, with no clever features. Also note that it's powered via USB using a proprietary cable, so if you lose that, you're screwed. Furthermore, if you don't have a USB slot to plug it into, you'll need to buy an adapter to power it via wall socket. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.